Health has no borders. A virus, for example, hops easily from country to country. Therefore, it is good to look at health not only from a national point of view, but also from an international point of view. How can countries cooperate solving health issues, and what can we learn from other countries in the way they handle health policy? That's why we offer the Bachelor in European Public Health. Makes sense, doesn't it? But what exactly does the word public mean in public health? While medicine, psychology or nursing are concerned with the individual patient, public health aims at improving health at a population level. That is, at the level of a society or a country or a continent. In the case of the Bachelor European Public Health, it is all about improving health in, you guessed it, Europe.
Maastricht is a place of a European treaty. 1992 it happened, where we created the euro and the European citizenship. And from this tradition out, Maastricht is the only place in Europe where you can study European public health. A unique mixture between European studies and public health.
European Public Health is taught in English, and it's a unique bachelor's program, the only one of its kind in Europe. It therefore attracts students from all over the world. This translates in a very international atmosphere on campus. More than 60% of the students come from abroad. This is what student Natalia has to say about that.
Many friends whom I study European Public Health with come from many different EU countries or even non-EU countries. I have friends that come from Australia, Finland, Sweden, Denmark, Bulgaria, and many other countries from the EU, or internationally for that matter. Well, what I encounter a lot during my studies is that a lot of friends and we compare our countries where we come from. For example, a friend of mine, she comes from Moldova, and when we talk with each other, we experience that in her country and in my country where I come from, the Netherlands, there are huge differences regarding the healthcare system. This is very interesting as a European public health student because it shows us or highlights that there are a lot of differences between our healthcare systems, and as a European public health student, you want to diminish those differences and improve the healthcare system in each country, regardless of your country of origin.
The program itself also has an international orientation. You have the opportunity to do a minor abroad in year 2 and an international placement period in year 3. Timo Clemens is one of the teachers at the program. Timo, can you tell us a bit more about the topics that will be discussed in this program? And can you give us some examples maybe?
We address public health problems in PBL from a variety of member states in Europe, addressing as well things that transcend member states, like infectious diseases or rare diseases. Within infectious diseases, obviously, bugs don't stop at borders, like the recent Ebola epidemic has shown. And we address and discuss with students within public health sessions how one can inform each other or take common actions in order to prevent the epidemic to stop. With regard to rare diseases, obviously you would like to have a child with a rare disease in the Baltics to have access to the best specialists throughout Europe, and that could be a rare disease specialist in Spain. And within public health, we are concerned in how we can organize that that child has access to the best care possible in Europe.
So after the Bachelor in European Public Health, we can stop bugs at the border. But seriously, what kind of jobs are there for bachelors in European Public Health? I presume the international approach of the program paves a path for a career with an international focus. Can you work abroad when you finish this program? Or work for European institutions? Timo, what do you think?
In fact, the Bachelor Program European Public Health provides a broad, well-founded, policy-oriented introduction to public health. And our students can easily specialize with a focused master program in many directions or get some first experiences on the labor market. Obviously, alumni of the Bachelor Program work in international settings, like in Brussels, working for national governments, EU institutions, NGOs, or the pharmaceutical industry. But alumni as well enter academia in order to research public health programs even further, or they work in national settings, for example, for a national or regional ministry for health, for agencies of public health. That's in a nutshell an introduction to European public health, and I would love to welcome you in Maastricht.
Thank you, Timo, for the introduction to European public health and for the invitation. There you have it. Are you interested in health sciences and healthcare, but also in national and international politics, administration and management, policy and strategy? Then the bachelor's program in European public health might just be the thing for you.